Want to learn how to use Start's Virtual Fitting Studio? In this step-by-step guide, you will see how simple it is to view your creations in practice, create exclusive digital models, try on your garments, customize poses, and generate flawless images to communicate your launches on social media and e-commerce in a matter of minutes. To get started, set the ideal mannequin and environment for your brand. You have complete creative freedom. You can describe the avatar's characteristics, such as age, ethnicity, and body type, and even the background of the image, such as a beach at sunset or the streets of Paris. If you prefer, select a previously created avatar or upload a reference photo. Our artificial intelligence will process everything and create a digital model and a tailored environment to showcase your garments. With your model's face ready, move on to the fitting stage. The first step here is to choose the clothes you want to test. You can upload images from your own computer, retrieve items saved in your Start favorites, or use previous realistic prototype creations. A major advantage is that you can combine more than one piece at the same time, such as pairing a shirt and trousers, to visualize the complete look on the same avatar. After selecting the look, it is time to define the pose. You can choose from predefined commercial options on the screen, such as front-facing, hand on hip, or in motion, or type a free instruction describing the exact position that highlights the details and pattern making of your product. Before finalizing the render, you can also make fine adjustments. This stage is optional, but it allows you to freely describe what you want to add, remove, or modify in the final image. Add footwear, swap accessories, or make small fit adjustments to the avatar to make the presentation flawless. With everything configured, click to generate the result. In moments, your virtual fitting room delivers a realistic image ready for use. And if you want to test other angles, simply use the generated image itself as a base to create new versions, changing only the pose or adjusting other details whenever you like.